talking to my guy, talking to my guy, talking
Time out.
to my guy, talking to my guy, talking to my guy, talking to my guy, talking to my guy.
Greetings, Earthlings. I got you. Check. I'm from a land of Pac-Mans and right hands. With left hands is lethal, leaving you slept, fam. Now this is 9 grand. I'm agile like Pacquiao, incredible, impeccable rap style. When beats clash and lights, camera action. What I do to tracks is what happened to Ricky Hatton. Yes, I am the captain from a different universe. Smashed around Saturn, took a shit out in Jupiter. Mother Earth's problem is all of you little artists. You whack rappers, spit trash and smother them with garbage. And now it's affecting everyone who started listening. To be vague, it's to play radio as a hypnotist. Call it pollution, your ears a bit polluted with corny raps and gimmicks represented by losers. This here's a movement for that dope music, here to remove you from that world that you was cooped in.